checking the high speed CAN. So our CAN bus controller or control area network, checking the high speed CAN on his dominant voltage and resistive voltage, and the low speed CAN on its dominant voltage and resistive voltage. So checking CAN high, CAN low, normal signal. Now, so this to identify the CAN high. CAN high is this one, the red one. The blue line is the CAN low. So why is it CAN high? As we all know that CAN high is 3.5. So 3.5. So this from 3. So at about here is the 3.5. So this is the CAN high. So CAN low is the 1.5. So from 1.0 to 1.5. So this is our CAN low. Our recessive value is 2.5. So this one should be here. So this is the 2.5. Now checking. So using the picoscope, so we install the channel A and B to our inverter converter. Okay, so here in our CAN high is the violet, and CAN low is the white wire. Okay, so going to our channel A and B. Okay, and then we have our ground also. So ground for our CAN high and CAN low. So ground, we put the ground here. Then we set it. We set our channel A to 5 volts. Set our channel B to 5 volts. And then now here we can set here 20 or either 50. Okay, so now we are setting it into 20. So 20 microsecond. So this is here, microsecond. So 20 from here to here to here. So that's why we have our let's say the width of our reading. Okay, so the CAN high, CAN low normal is again dominant voltage reading for our CAN high is 3.5, and the resistive value is 2.5. CAN low dominant voltage reading is 1.5, and the resistive voltage value of 2.5. Okay, that is the normal signal or normal reading.